What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import products from AliExpress to Shopify using DSers. Okay, now I'm going to be explaining to you guys every single thing you need to know about how you can import products to your Shopify store. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to create an account on AliExpress if you haven't done that already, and then you want to open your Shopify store. Now after you open your Shopify, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now after, guys, you click on apps and sales channels, you want to click on Shopify app store. Now we are going to be downloading DSers app. This app helps us, guys, import products from AliExpress to Shopify. You connect AliExpress to Shopify using DSers. Okay, you can import products. If someone purchases an item from you on Shopify, like DSers, they will take care of everything. They will source and ship the product for you. They will add the tracking numbers. They will do everything. Now I'm gonna show you guys how you can do that. Now as you can see in the top here, you want to search for DSers, okay, and then you want to click enter, and you want to download the app. Okay, this is the app, DSers AliExpress Dropshipping. As you can see, it says here the description of the app. It says here, AliExpress dropshipping solution, the new standard to process hundreds of orders at once, faster than ever before, and find new products and suppliers to sell always more with better profits. With DSers, you can find cheaper suppliers, import products for various sources. Now what you need, guys, you just need to click on install here. And then what you need to do, guys, next is you need to install the app. Okay, as you can see in the top right, you want to click on install app in the top right, and here it will take you, guys, directly to DSers website. Now you just need to create an account here. Okay, now as you can see, it says here your email address has been used to create DSers account login. If this is your registered account, you may try to log in. If it's not your registered account, please register manually. Now for you will find something else. If you have never created an account on DSers, it will show you something else. Okay, you just need to say something like I'm going to click on login and authorize, but for you will have to create an account there. Okay, I'm going to log in and authorize, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to create a new account here, and this is the email and this is the password that I'm going to add here. Okay, this is the password. I'm going to click create an account. It says here the email has been registered, please sign in. I have already used this email, so I'm going to use another email right now. Okay, I'm going to use this one. I have created a lot of DSers accounts, so that's why it says here that this email has been registered before. Okay, so I'm going to add another email here, as you can see. Okay, it says here we are creating an account right now. I'm going to save this. So as you can see here, I'm going to click on confirm. So as you can see, I have successfully created an account on DSers. Okay, now I'm going to go with the free plan. As you can see, free standard. If it shows you guys all these four different options, you want to go with get started with free plan because it's enough. It can do everything. Okay, now it says here link to suppliers. Now you want to click AliExpress here so that you can link AliExpress to DSers. That's the first thing you need to do, guys, is to link AliExpress to DSers so that you can start importing products. Okay, I don't have AliExpress account. I'm going to create it right now. I have it, but I'm going to create new one so that I can show you guys how it's done. Okay, so you want to click on AliExpress here, and then it will take you, guys, directly to your AliExpress account. This is the AliExpress account, and you want to give access to yeah, you're gonna give access. You just need to click access now, and there you want to enter there the you want to enter the your AliExpress, let me show you, let me just check here. Yeah, you want to enter here your AliExpress account, your email and passwords. But I have AliExpress. I'm going to click on sign in. As you can see here, you just need to enter here your AliExpress You need to enter your AliExpress email and the password. Click on access now, and guys, you have successfully linked DSers to AliExpress. Now what you guys need right now is you need to start importing products from DSers to Shopify. Okay, now you will like I said, you will import products from AliExpress to Shopify using DSers. Okay, it's just like, it's like a middleman. Okay, now what you need, guys, is to download an extension. Okay, here you want to click on home in the top left, and you want to click on Chrome extension, and after, guys, you click on Chrome extension, you want to click on add to Chrome, and then click add extension. You want to pin the extension in the top. You want to click this, then click pin. This is the pin. Click on it. Click on the extension. It says here, please log into DSers and try again. You want to click on DSers, and you want to log in again. Okay, so we have successfully linked our DSers account to AliExpress. Now we can start importing products. Now what you need, guys, is you want to go to AliExpress and you want to find a product that you want to import to your Shopify. Now I want to import this one, as you can see. Let me just search for a product that I'm going to import to my Shopify store. Now this product, for example, now the reason why you downloaded the extension at the top is because now whenever you check whenever you check a product on AliExpress, you will find this feature option here, or it says here add to DSers. Click on it, and it says here importing. Now this product will be imported, guys, to your DSers account. Now if you go to DSers account that you have created and you click on import list, you will find that product here, as you can see. Now this product, exactly this exact product, you will import it to your Shopify store by clicking on push to store. Click on push to store, and here you can select these options if you want to continue selling when out of stock. So if you sell this item and it's out of stock, it's going to be continued, like people will still be able to check it. But if you don't check this, if it's out of stock, people will not be able to see the product. Okay, yeah, and here it says also published to an online store. So like I said, you just need to click on push to stores, and here when you push this to your store, as you can see, it says here product being pushed. What you are gonna need is you need to go to your Shopify and you need to edit, guys. You want to click on products here, and you will find that product here, as you can see. Now this product, you need to edit the price, you need to edit the description, the title is a little bit longer, so you need to make it unique. Okay, now you just need to click on the title here, where if you click on products, you want to click on the title, and you will be able, guys, to change the title. Okay, make it a little bit smaller, so that you know, buyers will be able to buy this product, because people, they don't like long titles, long descriptions. You just need, guys, a unique description, unique title. That's it, guys. Okay, and then you want to edit the price here, as you can see. The price that we are charging right now is $23, but it's the AliExpress price. Okay, so we have to increase the price, okay, so that we can make some profit. Now you just need to you know, change the price, increase it a little bit. As you can see, I'm going to edit the prices. I'm going to increase it to $40, because you know, you are going to pay for advertising on Facebook or TikTok. I would highly recommend, guys, advertising on TikTok, because TikTok is the new thing now. So people, they don't use Facebook like they use TikTok in the recent years. Okay, now yeah, now after you get now a sale, like DSers will be able, guys, to get the information from your Shopify store. You will get the address of the customer, and then you will start shipping the product. Okay, you just need to add, guys, money to DSers, and then you will be able, guys, you know, to do everything for you. Okay, you just, after you get, guys, a sale, you need to add the money to DSers so that you can ship and add tracking number to the customer. Okay, So I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.